People of the Purple Butterfly here, otherwise known as People of 7 on Twitter and YouTube, people are elsewhere on the internet. My blog is located at PurpleButterfly-people.blogspot.com. My soaps, Purple Butterfly Soaps, could be located at people.etsy.com. And my t-shirt designs, PurpleButterfly-people.tmail.com. And this thing is packed really, really well. It's a Cheshire cat angler. I've seen one of these on RoyalAppleBerry's channel, and when I made the slanted gingerbread man soap and a couple other slanted soaps, I was like wishing there was an easier way, because the bar soap or the wooden block or a towel, whatever you were putting under there to get your angle, kept slipping or failing or whatever. Well, there is an easier way. This thing is made just for angling your mold. It's called a Cheshire cat. I can actually see how they got that name, but to me it kind of looks like a butterfly. But anyway, I guess these will be the ears. But yeah, what this does, and basically I sprayed the whole box with my cutter, disinfectant and all that. And when I opened it up, it was literally covered in bubble tape, bubble wrap and plastic, and very well packaged. You know, I don't think a germ got through here. But still, it doesn't take any chances. But you take your mold and you put it here, and then you can come down here and adjust it to whatever angle you need it to be at. Like if you wanted to go here, this is literally regular. But then say for instance I wanted to tilt it up 10 degrees or 30 degrees or whatever, you can accomplish that. So yeah. And I'm making 2 soaps today. One using this angler. Hold on, let me get that right through the center there. I wish it had like little degree markings, so that way you can tell how many degrees of adjustment that there are. But hey, live and learn, then get lost. So I moved those 2 separately, so let's see what happens. When I readjusted, apparently I got it right at the right angle, because it's not a gap in there. Even though I can move, well, I'll just move it out the way so you can see. But I can actually move one of these this way and one of them that way, or, you know, but you can move them at the same time if you want to. 2 different angles. Kind of defeat the purpose. I'm just showing you that they're not rigid, so forth, so on. You can adjust, you know. In the meantime, I have my lye water right here. I have my oils right here. And then behind here, I have some more lye water cooling. So that way when I'm done with this endeavor, this will be ready. I'm going to make a plain Jane soap. No colorant, no scent, just soap. And for the angler, I'm going to make something that needs an angle. Maybe a tilted tiger swirl or something like that. I haven't quite decided that yet. All I know is I'm going to use the new angler on something. Hold on. I make sure I got the right angle, so that way I'm thinking, you know, the imaginary line from here to here, put the soap in, and then you know. Or I can put some soap here, make an angle, move the whole thing around, make another angle, so forth and so on. So all kinds of fun things you could do with an angled soap. So I thought I'd share that with you. I'm going to quarantine this and, you know, reuse it maybe in 10 days or so. Or because bubble wrap is always free fun, pop it like one at a time. Or I can use it to make a honey style soap. But yeah, that's what a lot of people use it for. I don't actually make a soap that has a honey base because I'm allergic to honey. And I could, you know, make the soap and not use the soap, and that would be fine, except for the fact that I don't necessarily make anything I can't use myself. So that's why I don't make a shea butter soap. I refer somebody that wants a shea butter soap to all my soaping friends that make shea butter soaps. I'm not going to risk my throat closing or anything like that because I happen to be allergic to tree nuts. So, you know, if a friend say, hey, I'm allergic to coconut, then I won't make a coconut-based soap for her. Another friend of mine is allergic to olives. I don't even buy olive oil. And the one time I did, I bought a mold to go with it, so that way the mold that I use on a normal would not be cross-contaminated with the soap that I make for her, you know, because of the simple fact that just because you wash something and use soap and water don't mean you got every trace of it off of there. When it comes to oils, they will sneak up on you at some point in time when you're not thinking about it. And we can't have any cross-contamination with oil. It's like when people are allergic to peanut oil, it doesn't matter if you wash the dishes and all that, that trace amount will still close their throat. I don't take any chances on that. My one friend's allergic to coconut, so I have a procedure where no coconut will be in a soap that she uses. One friend's allergic to olive oil. I'm allergic to shea and tree nuts. So there's no oils with those ingredients in the soap I'm gonna make. I'm also allergic to honey, and I'm allergic to lemon. So yeah, and strawberries, and that's why I started making soaps, because stuff that I can't have is not going to be in a product I bought to wash my body with, and then surprise, surprise, you have a reaction. It takes 27 seconds for your soap and your water to penetrate your skin. So you don't want to put something you're allergic to in your soaps and then wash your body with it, because you can still potentially have a reaction. So yeah, a lot of people don't realize that, you know, it's like they started putting synthetic chemicals and detergents in soaps. Prime example, there is nothing natural about this. This is a chemical. It's a useful chemical, but sodium lauryl sulfate is still a chemical all day long. The soaps I make are natural. You can go to a grocery store and get every ingredient, you know, and soap on. And your body treats it like it would, you know, something you normally ingest. So, yeah. My friend that's allergic to olive oil, I will not make her olive oil soap. I will not make a coconut oil soap for my friend that's allergic to coconuts. Even if she says, it's okay, because there's always that possibility. I mean, you develop sensitivities your whole life through. So basically, even though I started out being sensitive to rubber and latex, one day that little itch became a full-blown allergy because time passed, and that's what happens. So you don't want to go, oh, well, it's not bothering me right now, because time passes, and then at some point in time, it will bother you. That's like, it takes 27 seconds for a soap that I wash my hands with to penetrate my skin to the level that it can interact with my bloodstream. And that's not when you want to go, did I put something I'm allergic to in that batter? Because that could have bad results. That's why I don't do it personally. So, yeah. Thought I'd share this, and then I got on a ramble. I'm random that way, but of course y'all already knew that. This has been People7 on Twitter and YouTube, People elsewhere on the internet. My blog is located at PurpleButterfly-people.blogspot.com. My soaps, Purple Butterfly Soaps, can be located at people.etsy.com, and my t-shirt designs, purplebutterfly-people.tmail.com. I want to send a shout out and a thank you to RoyalAppleBerry, because I got my Cheshire cat and I can't wait to have fun making different designs with it. So thank you for the recommendation. Y'all stay blessed, stay tuned, stay safe, wash your hands. Yeah. Soap on y'all. Bye now.